Good morning and welcome to Ackworth Classic Car Show. Something a little bit different today. It's also going to be my very first POV video. As you can see, it looks quite an event. It's the first time I've ever been here, so I don't really know what to expect, but there's obviously going to be lots of classic cars. As you can see, there's lots of classic cars. There's steam engines, commercial stuff, 4x4s, there's a military exhibition a bit further around, there's a main arena. So we'll see how we get on. Like I say, it is my first POV video. I've wanted to try one for a while, so we'll see how I get on. But it might not be the best thing you've ever seen, almost professional, because I got a little cheap harness from off Amazon, 12 quid to hold my phone. So yeah, we'll have a mooch about, see what I can find, see what shots we can get, and try something different for a change. It's not a bad thing to try and challenge yourself, so we'll see how we get on. I'm looking forward to it. Like I say, I don't really know what to expect, but I'm sure we're about to find out. I've got a selection of lenses with me, but at the minute I've got the 5D Mark IV and 24-70, so we'll see how we go. But like I say, it's first time I've been, so we'll see what's how things turn out. Right now we're a bit of a lull. I will happily explain I know nothing about cars or tractors. I'm a little bit of a fish out of water at this event today, but you've got to challenge yourself, like I said earlier. So, ooh, military stuff over here. But I think some of the shots I've got so far are quite nice. Like I said, it's a bit of a learning curve for me. I've not really done anything like this before, so it is very interesting and very difficult to get my eye in. I feel as though some of the shots at the minute are a bit samey, but I suppose there's only so many photographs you can take of a car. So like I say, that's the classic car area. This is where all the old tractors are, obviously. Military is just off over that way. There is a central arena where there's stuff throughout the day, so I will pop over to that at some point. But it's not going too bad, so we'll crack on. Just like to point out that I'm not sponsored by Cadbury's, but Cadbury, if you're watching, you know, get in touch. A little bit of a taste of what's to come on my channel. In the near future I'll be seeing lots more of these military vehicles at the Yorkshire Wartime Experience next month. Hopefully anyway, at Kirkhouse Green at Donny. I imagine lots of these vehicles will be here, so I might not spend too much time around these, but I am going to get some shots, so little motorbike section. Again, I know absolutely nothing about them. Doesn't seem to be too many here, but I'll have a walk around and see what comes of it. As you can see, tractor rally time. It's a bit loud, so I don't know if you can actually hear me, but there's some mental machines on show here, and also some quite funny little diddy things. But I'll stop talking, see what shots I can get. I've actually forgot the holder from the top of my camera to put the phone on, so I don't know what video I'll get, but I'll try my best. Fingers crossed for some good shots. We went up to track the place. So that tractor will now do about 40 miles an hour on the road. Next up, we have
passengers on board as well. So we are going to be having a bit of a play with this transfer trailer later on. We're going to be doing a little bit of reversing. So it's going to be happening about 30. Yeah, great to see, thank you. Steady around. About the Bailey car company, all the way back to the 1940s with Martin. We might turn it round and maybe heard a bit of a profit and then it's sold it. You may have heard of the Aston Martin DB4, DB5 or what you call that business. Don't mind us forgetting what the DB stands for. Give us a like and a follow, whatever you fancy doing, you can see what we're doing today. Next weekend, we're going to be at Willow Field at the
You know, there's some absolute beautiful pieces of equipment here. I mean, just look at this steam engine. Absolutely gorgeous, man. And I've never even really appreciated a steam engine before, but absolutely fantastic engineering.
And this rather fancy looking trike with all the wheels in the wrong place.
So the field's basically on fire now. Fireman Sam's turning up for all the smoke is. The little steam engines obviously run on coal, and if one drops out with the embers, you know, it's not rained for the best part of 6-7 weeks, so everything's bone dry, and now half the field's burnt to death.
We wanted to down with a down. In the bottom edge of the arena, there's a big way for us. I think they might have a different requirement. So, bottom edge of the arena, we have got the other appliance just making its way up. You just make way for the other appliance to come up. Presented with my very own meeting stick. It's just for fire, isn't it? Oh my goodness me, okay.
Right, I think that might be it for today. It's getting really warm. I've run out of water and I'm not paying the prices that are here, £4 a bottle. So I mean, I haven't even had a chance to get around all these mental looking lorries, which is a shame. But I do have somewhere else I need to be as well. So I'm not 100% sure if I'm happy with how I've filmed everything. I don't know until I get stuff onto the laptop whether or not it will come out how I wanted it to. But obviously there will be a video because you're watching it. So thank you for watching. It has been an eye-opener. I do think I want to do more of this sort of stuff. It's been pretty cool, to be fair. I think I've got some shots that I'm really happy with. So I can see why it's a big thing, car shows and car photography. Like I say, it's a shame I haven't managed to get around any of these old lorries, because I mean some of them look pretty cool. So again, thank you for watching. I do appreciate it as always. If anybody has watched, if you could just give it a like. I know it's a bit cringy me asking, but it does really help for the algorithms and what have you. But thank you for watching again. Appreciated as always. I hope you've enjoyed it. I've certainly enjoyed being here. So if you are in the Yorkshire area, Ackworth is a decent little show to come to. And I will see you all in the next video. Thank you. Bye.